Ang cute mo daw, sabi rito sa comment section ko.
Ang cute ni.
Ang cute ni Cutie. Ang cute din daw magmiyaw. Magmiyaw ka lang daw.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Umiiyak siya.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
O, ba't ganyan yung bag?
Meow. Meow, meow.
Paano?
Meow, 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 meow.
Ang kita po isa.
Ba, paano kung ano, si Rufa May yung nagmiyaw-miyaw?
Meow meow.
Paano kung si ano, yung kay Detective Conan?
Detective Conan.
Meow meow.
Galing mo.
Paano kapag kay Nobita? Ay, Doraemon?